unvarnished truth. Luke chapter 2 verse 7, Mary gave birth to her firstborn son, and she wrapped him in clothes and laid him in a manger because there was no room for them in the inn. Grabe, no? Kung titingnan nyo ng mas malalim, ang lakas ng katawan ni Mary. Protektado siya ng Panginoon kasi nanganak siyang mag-isa. Sino ang nag-a-attend kay Mary habang nagle-labor siya? Wala. Imagine yung kapangyarihan ng Diyos. Tapos si Jesus mismo na darating na hari ay diyan ipinanganak. Ang ending pa niyan, merong decree na pinapapatay ang mga sanggol sa kapanahonan na yan. The first Christmas was a poor one. Christmas today is a display of wealth as millions of people spend billions of dollars to indulge in temporal things. Tingnan natin ang comparison niyan, no? Ang sabi ni Dr. John MacArthur, those soft little hands fashioned by the Holy Spirit in Mary's womb were made so that the nails might be driven through them. Yan ang preparation. Those baby feet, pink and unable to walk, would one day walk up a dusty hill to be nailed to a cross. That the sweet infant's head with the sparkling eyes and eager mouth was formed so that someday men might force a crown of thorns onto it. The tender body, warm and soft, wrapped in a swaddling clothes, would one day be ripped open by a spear. Pero lahat yan ay design ng Diyos, preparation upang tayo ay iligtas. No? At ang matindi dyan, Jesus was born to die. Kung i-analyze natin ng malalim ang konteksto ng Panginoon, mahihiya tayo sa ating Diyos. Mahihiya tayo kay Kristo